Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA's daily exfoliant. Exfoliating has always been my favourite skincare step. Proper exfoliation removes the barrier of dead skin cells, clogging the skin and uncovers fresh new cells below. This opens the way for moisturising products to penetrate more deeply into your skin, which makes them more effective. In short, regular exfoliating will leave your skin looking fresh, healthy, which is exactly what PCA Daily Exfoliant does. Daily Exfoliant contains some fantastic antioxidant ingredients such as aloe vera juice, green tea extract and salicornia extract, which will all help to improve skin hydration, provide powerful anti-aging benefits, purify and soften your skin. The main exfoliating ingredient is derived from wood pulp, which is 100% biodegradable and environmentally friendly. And your daily exfoliant is a light, gentle exfoliant that is suitable for all skin types. To use, apply to damp skin and massage in gentle circular motions over the face, and then you would rinse with warm water and pat dry, and can be used daily or as you feel it's necessary. Follow with the appropriate PCA toner like your smoothing toner, your treatment serum and then your broad spectrum SPF product in the daytime and your moisturiser in the evening. So if you would like to purchase the daily exfoliant, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. And also just like to let you know that Skinmart are now offering your face-to-face online skin consultations. So if you'd like to book in for one of those, please go onto our website. Thank you and have a great day.